When a drop of water hits a mirror, it explodes with the force of 1 billion nuclear bombs, releasing a shockwave that can shatter glass. This phenomenon occurs when a liquid hits a solid surface at a precise angle, creating a tiny explosion known as cavitation. Cavitation is a fundamental principle in physics and chemistry, observed in everything from ocean waves to car engines. Imagine a grain of sand containing an entire library of knowledge, and you'll understand the complexity of this process. When a droplet of water hits the mirror, it creates a high-pressure region at the point of impact, causing the surrounding water molecules to be pushed aside. This high-pressure region is so intense that it can shatter glass, creating a miniature explosion that can be heard and felt. But that's not the strangest part. The sound wave produced by the explosion can also cause the water to rebound back onto the mirror. This creates a secondary explosion, repeating the cycle of high pressure and cavitation until the water droplet is completely absorbed. Scientists have discovered that the frequency of the sound wave produced by this explosion can be used to create a unique signature, identifying the type of material the mirror is made of. For centuries, scientists have been studying the properties of mirrors, from their reflective surfaces to their structural integrity. This knowledge has led to the development of advanced materials and technologies, such as stealth coatings and advanced optics. But what happens when we add a second drop of water to the mix? The resulting explosion is not just twice as powerful, but creates a complex pattern of shock waves and cavitation that can be analyzed to reveal hidden properties of the mirror. It's like trying to solve a puzzle, where each new piece of information reveals a deeper understanding of the underlying mechanisms. And then something unexpected happens. The mirror begins to change color, as the changing pattern of light and shadow reveals a hidden message. This is not just a visual effect, but a real-world consequence of the complex interactions between light, matter, and energy. The mirror is not just a passive surface, but an active participant in the dance of light and shadow, reflecting and refracting the surrounding environment in ways both beautiful and subtle. In this sense, the mirror is not just a tool for self-reflection, but a window into the very fabric of reality itself. As we explore the mysteries of the mirror, we are forced to confront the limits of our understanding and the vast unknown territories that lie beyond. But that's not the strangest part. The mirror is not just a physical object, but a metaphor for the human experience itself. Just as the mirror reflects our physical appearance, it also reflects our inner thoughts and emotions, revealing the depths of our own consciousness.
This is the true power of the mirror, a tool for self-discovery and growth that has been used by artists, philosophers, and scientists for centuries.
And yet, despite its importance, the mirror remains a mystery. So, if you're ready to embark on a journey of discovery, and scientists for uncover the centuries' secrets of the mirror, join me on this adventure of a lifetime. Subscribe to our channel for more mind-blowing facts and thought-provoking ideas, and let's explore the wonders of the universe together. And if you found this fascinating, be sure to like and comment below, and let's continue the conversation. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.